everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Niharika and today we are going to answer a very common question. What is English Honors? If you're planning to take this course or you have just started, this video will give you all the clarity you need. First things first, let me explain you what is English Honors. What does this mean? English Honors is an undergraduate degree where you study English literature in depth. Unlike a general English course, here you don't just study basic grammar or language. You explore literature from different countries, time periods, and genes. It's a 3 year program in most universities divided into 6 semesters. The focus is on developing skills like critical thinking, analysis, writing, and communication, all through the lens of literature. Now, what you have to study in English honors. So, basically, the syllabus covers classical literature, British literature, world literature, critical theory, and literary criticism. And in classical literature, you studies about Indian, European, Greek, and Roman literature. In British literature, you studies about medieval, Victorian, modern, and postmodern works. In world literature, you study about American, African, and post-colonial, etc. Next, we have critical theory and literary criticism. In this, you studies about where you learn how to analyze text using different perspectives. Next, you have language and communication skills. This subject is there to improve your academic and professional writing. Next, you have electives or allied subjects like history, philosophy, political science, or journalism, depending on your university. You can choose any of this subject with your English honors. So, yes, what skills do you actually gain from English honors? So, after doing this course, your analytical skills, breaking down text, arguments, and themes, critical thinking, questioning literature and its relation to society, research and writing, essays, research works, research papers, and presentations, your communications, both written and spoken, English improves a lot. So these skills are valuable not just in academics but also in careers like teaching, content writing, digital marketing, media, publishing, and many more. So why you should choose this course? This is a very big question from each and every one. And every student questions this thing that why should we choose English honors? If you love reading, analyzing stories, or discussing ideas, English honors is perfect for you. It opens up multiple career paths for higher studies like MA, PhD, BEd to jobs in media, communication, creative industries, and even corporate roles. And most importantly, it teaches you how to think critically about the world. So, to sum it up, English honors is not just about reading novels, it's about exploring history, culture, philosophy, and society through literature. It's a degree that builds your mind, your skills, and your career opportunities. That's all for today's video on what is English honors. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends who are planning to study English, and don't forget to subscribe for more semester